Hey guys, it's Barry again. This is actually a continuation of the previous video. I had forgotten to test the FM function on camera on this one, and that's because I normally do when I do my on-camera demonstrations, I usually go FM first, then AM, then A-track. Than any other features like Bluetooth. And since I'm so used to doing the A-track after the AM, when I did the AM first, I forgot to do the FM after I removed the A-track. So let's do that real quick. So we're on AM right now, and to switch to FM, we just turn it off and then right back on within about a half a second. So here we go, off on. Okay, now we're on FM, and we'll just go down the dial. I wonder why all classical stations are at the low end of the dial.
500 meters. Compendio.
But I want to get into a little more.
Turn exposure. 154940.
Just plain.
To clarify those questions,
reappeared. There's something.
Words that you don't know.
And your new ones.
Alrighty, so now when the radio comes to the customers, it'll fire up on the FM band. So that was the only purpose of this video. Sorry about the inconvenience. Thanks again, guys.